Hi, this is Yen and welcome to YenTeach Channel. For today's video, I will teach you how to change the frequency or bandwidth of your Zlt S10G. So we'll proceed now. Choose any browser found in your mobile devices or even in your laptop and computers. So just type the IP address of Globe, which is 192.168.254.254, and then click enter. Okay, so as you enter here, just type or log in the default password and username of your Zlt S10G found below in your router. So just type user, and then after that, type the default password, which is the @ 1 small letter L 0 3 small letter A 1 small letter T and 3. So don't worry if you don't know the password, because I will put the description in the description below. So here we'll just click the device settings. Okay, so after we click the device settings, just click the advanced settings. After we choose the advanced settings, just double click here the DHCP, and then as you can see here, you will if you read this, it is a router setting. Just replace the router setting into frequency. Type frequency, and after you type the frequency, just enter. So here we have the different band found in your router. We have the band 3, the band 28, band 40, and band 41. So we will try these all in order for you to assess in your place what are the band that fit in your place. No? So here I will choose band 41. Okay, so in just second, there is no signal in band 41, so we'll try another one in band 40. So take note that in every places we have different band that fits in your place. So there is no signal again in band 40, so we'll try band 28. Okay, still there is no signal, and after that in band 3 we'll try. Okay, so for the last time, okay, there is already signal in our router in band 3, so therefore you need to assess your band in your places. So here in our place, the band 3 will fit in us. No? So that's all for today, and have a nice day.